What'd you say?
So remember, like this, like lots of these boats at some of your jobs, like they ripped off.
Yeah, the boat ramps.
Yeah.
Look at their boat is right up on the rocks.
I know, that's what I was trying to tell you. It's like stranded there.
Watch out. Don't step right there. Oh my gosh, it's caving in. Come on. Step on it. Fall through. Well, Indian Mound's way down there. That's where Indian Mound is. I just can't get to there. It's blocked off.
That's where we were trying to go?
Yep.
Well, let's pray over.
Yep. There's a boat right there, too. I can't really see what I'm videoing, so. And I know I'm not holding it the right way. Huh?
I can't go right there.
It smells like dead fish around here. It smells so good. Alright, we're gonna try to find somewhere else to go. I'm actually gonna go by my Airbnb that I now lost because it's destroyed.